there's this energy that is being created throughout the whole show, and the Flexiv robot actually played a part where it gathers the energy and then dissipate and create a show out of it, where our lead character Rex will come in and grab the energy. So it is like a mix of technology into our show with the energy of our plot. Yeah. I think it adds a lot of technology elements to it. The future of our world is robotic and AI, and this is very appropriate for our show. We first learned about Flexiv in a trade show called iTab, and we've been looking at robots, different companies' robots, but Flexiv really stand out because we realized the robot can actually interact with a person. Usually a cobot will, for safety reason, emergency stop. But with Flexiv, somehow we are able to just push it away, it will still carry on with its job. So that is really very suitable for our show, as a performance. Yeah. So far the robot is quite intuitive in programming. There's a lot of function, a lot of features, but it's also, the software is quite intuitive and easy to use. And we have actually our intern to program it, and so far it's great.